Oh, please don't leave yet. It is a bitter melon, or Goya in Japanese. Yes, it is bitter. Cinnapon will show you how to reduce the bitterness. And popular Goya recipe from Okinawa called Goya Chanpuru. Okay, let's go.
す。It's bitter. Oishii.